Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your speaker Creative Muvo Play with your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now press and hold power button for at least 3 seconds to turn on your speaker. Now it enters to prank mode automatically, so we should see it on the list. Now click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!